Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. You're welcome back to Excellent TV, where we bring to you a series of updates and events, especially in Nigeria and beyond. So, if you are just coming across our videos, why not subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of our updates? And meanwhile, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you can always get our notifications whenever we bring to you new videos. So today what we have for you, we have a special update about what is happening currently in Nigeria. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Watch this video to the end and I'll be right back.
As farmers struggle to produce, herdsmen and their cows destroy the farms. There are herdsmen in Ijayi farm settlement.
Wọ́n dá wa láàmú o. Wọ́n dá wa láàmú, wọ́n jẹyan gan sàn-án. Tá a bá ṣe èké báyìí mọ́ ọyọ bílá láti á ni wọ́n di a.
Kò sẹ́ni tó lè mú o. Àwọn bòròrò ń jẹ yangan mi lọ́sẹ̀ tó lọ. Apẹ̀rẹ̀ mẹ́rin wọ́n jẹ.
As you drive into the settlement, you are welcomed by its rustiness. As our car gallops through the bad road, we see why the potentials of the farm settlement are not reached. The potentials of the settlement are severely limited by poor infrastructure, crude agricultural methods, and invasion by herdsmen.
too. So the picture of that thing is in my house.
They are nomads. They are wandering cattlemen destroying farms as they move. Cyprian Quincy, in his book Burning Grass, says that when they begin to burn grass in northern Nigeria, it is time for the herdsmen to be moving the cattle southwards to the banks of the Great River. Since 1962, when the book was published, herdsmen have moved beyond the river bank with their cows into towns and villages, ravaging farms and attacking farmers. It is behind the clashes at the root of insecurity in Nigeria.
Ìyún ni Fulani. Àfẹ́ tó bá fẹ́ fẹ̀mí ara ẹ̀ wéwu ló kù.
The damage is huge, yet we cozied up with the herders to save tomorrow, as today is endangered.
We need to solve the problem between farmers and herders. The farmers are complaining bitterly, and the herders also want to make a living out of their cow. This is where government needs to come in and ensure that every farmer, especially in a farm settlement, must enjoy the fruit of their labor.
The time to stop the destruction of farms by roaming cows and herdsmen is now. It is also time to reinvent cattle rearing to meet the expectations of the 21st century.
Yeah, I hope you all have seen that video. Now tell me, where on earth does this kind of thing happen in the 21st century? Why would people trespass on your farms, on your properties, when there is a government? Yoruba will say, Ni lutoloba to nijoye. We have government in Nigeria, but it's as if we don't have any, because they failed to take to their responsibilities, and that makes them a failure, because any government that cannot secure the lives and properties of the citizens, which is their first primary assignment as government, that means such government is a failure. So I tell it to Nigerian government today that they are a failure as a government. The same story we are hearing from every part of the country at the moment, especially in the southwest and the eastern part of the country. Why should herders and farmers always have a clash? In the 21st century, where cows are reared, where they're supposed to be kept in the ranch, yet the government does not seem to see any solution to this, which made me tell it to their face that they are a failure. And Nigeria is going into coma if care is not taken. Things will get out of hand. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to do that now, so that you can always see more of our videos. Thank you, and God bless you. Have a nice weekend, and bye.